Wearing your heart on your sleeve or hand could be the future of healthcare monitoring, thanks to an electronic skin, or e-skin, with the LED display. Designed by this man, Professor Takao Someya is an expert in e-skin, an industry worth an estimated $4.5 billion in 2019.
E-skin is the next generation of wearables. E-skin is thin, lightweight, stretchable, and durable.
Here at his lab, the Someya Group lab at the University of Tokyo, he and his team develop different types of e-skin and experiment with applications, including measuring facial expression for speech recognition and tracking biometric signals like a heartbeat and muscle movement to improve fitness and health, especially for Japan's increasingly elderly population. The e-skin is made from an ultra-thin, hypoallergenic nanomesh material with a gold layer. It's attached to a patient's chest with some water, and, Someya says, can be worn for a week at a time, picking up biometric signals like a heartbeat. A specially designed belt with a wireless transmitter can send that heartbeat signal to a nearby smartphone, laptop, or directly to the cloud, which Someya says will allow doctors to monitor their patients remotely.
To realize the home health care, it is very important to monitor the health condition of senior people for long period of time with high precision. E-skin is a powerful tool for monitoring of chronic disease.
An LED display attached to the hand will show the patient's data, like a heartbeat.
When display can be attached on the surface of a hand, and it is so easy to see, that is very convenient for the senior people or people with disability.
It can also receive simple characters sent from a smartphone, enabling others to send love from afar, an especially important feature during a pandemic.
I'm hoping that the skin display may transmit the information as well as the warm feeling of people.
The pandemic has also changed how some sports people are able to train. For Japanese Taekwondo athlete Mana Umehara, training with e-skin sportswear developed by the Someya Group's spin-off company Zenoma really hit the spot.
My impression after wearing it is that it's easy to use because it doesn't interfere with movement at all. Now I can get more precise instructions with numbers for how many centimetres to extend or how powerful it should be. Even when it's not possible to see my teachers due to coronavirus, I can get proper instructions if I send them my video.
While some products, like the LED display, are still in development, Someya's work is stretching the limits of possibility of e-skin as part of a growing industry, with researchers across the world developing similar technology.
So the ultimate goal of e-skin is to monitor all the different types of human information easily, anywhere and anytime. E-skin is now creating a completely new and huge market.